Oh shoot, it's a video. I'm so used to it, man. About my favorite place.
I can't see myself on the vlog.
You always see yourself on the vlog. You guys are my favorite place. I already put up a vlog with you in there since I came. You're not paying attention.
Me have to go look.
Rugged and rough and not give up. The amount of struggles what we face, man, I forgive thanks in a real life. In a real life. Somebody said somebody said I need to show around me instead of just showing my face. So this is what's around me. No use to seminar reach nowhere. Nighttime beach. My woman a fish, tug it so when hungry at this record look like a hill ranch. In a real life. Monday, February the 15th. Yes. And I'm currently at Dead End, Buccaneer Beach in Montego Bay. Full in events. My top from Dress Gal, these shorts I don't know. I have my slippers from I don't know. And my hat from I don't know. Look at me, wah. Look at me, wah. He's like, look at Zoe, wah, wah. So, Jamaica again. How I fell in love with the new song.
Pussy dreams say you see me girl. Fuck real and I feel we man. The fuck they come down. Never see me again. Hold me like you can. Never see me again. Your dog say you never end. You're too lie, you don't see the chance. Say you're nice and you're very sad. Here we are so it well. The fuck they come down. Never see me again. You squeeze up your titty girl. Just fly like Philly bird. The fuck they come down. Never see me again. Hold me like you can. Never see me again. Hold me like you can. Never see me again.
Yo. Finally home time. Yay. Finally going home. Everybody say good night. Say good night. Say good night.
Good morning, actually.
Say good morning, good night, guys. Yay. Woo, dead. I mean, dead. Dead end.
Music.
Come a firehouse and me birthplace. This baby number the fed call me birthplace. I gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you.
Live end.
Oh, so far.
And I'm in love with you.
So far,
Live end. Why are they laughing? What was so funny?
God, I'm so far.
Aren't you gonna soon forward?
You can't see you soon coming up.
Aren't you gonna soon forward? Aren't you gonna come back soon?
Yeah. That one of them.
Aren't you gonna?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What are you talking about? Coming from the back?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It depends. Good morning. It's morning, and I'm at my sister's house, and we're getting ready to go to work. I'm gonna go to work with her today because I have a lot of stuff to do. that requires internet usage. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. She just went to go put some more sugar in my tea. And then yeah, I'm kind of scared to vlog facing me now because somebody said it's kind of boring. So I don't know what you guys want to see.
Where's her?
It's Angie. We all slept on this bed. All three of us slept on this bed. It was like a slumber party. So good. I feel so well rested after last night. Although I still feel kind of high-ish a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Anyways, look at Maria. When I leave out, me, bye. This is what getting taxi is like in Jamaica. There's like none when you want them. And when you don't want them just pass you like, you know. Our taxi is supposed to be coming from this way. And we're just waiting. This one's over here taking selfies. As always. Because she get her hairdo. She feel brand new. And she do her two of them.
Lord God.
So I make you a beep and not stop. That's what I don't understand with them. Them a beep but them not stop. All of them a beep and them not have space, them still a beep. You, like, it just... Now some of these taxis actually say taxi. In Jamaica, step up in a life, people. Yes. When they record. So you guys, this whole time I thought I was recording. The whole time I thought I was recording, I was trying to record the fact that we were waiting to get drive and all the cars and stuff that were passing. The ones that were honking and didn't have space.
I don't see if that going up, but it smells too damn stink, yo.
Oh, finally. Fuck. Hey guys, it is Tuesday, February the 16th. The time right now is 3:34. Yes, it's late, but that's okay. Where if I reach farm and it reach Ota, so Ross. Anyways, so we're going home right now. We just left work and we're going home. Well, we're gonna go do a little bit of grocery shopping and then we're gonna go home. And then I think I'm gonna come back in town and meet up with Fuff and figure out something because it's Tuesday. We only have 3 more days left. Technically 2 because one more day we have to leave. And then my sister bought me tricks. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Why are you yelling? Anyways, I'm so happy that I'm walking over here because I wanted to show you guys this beautiful part of the Montego Bay Community College area. So like this is just like a little like seating area where, you know, you can come near your lunch and ting. I don't want to catch nobody on camera next thing you know they can't lick out my sitting out of my hand. Can you help me with something please? Can you take the... Hold this for 1 second please. Oh, okay. Thief. People thief. Don't worry yourself. Yeah, but it's so pretty. I walked through here to go to get lunch today, and it was amazing. So this is a security gate you gotta go through to get out. And we are out. On the main road. So you go look drive. Oh my god. She wants to cross with all of this coming in our way. Thanks, Kiana. You're the best. Stupid. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit. Yo, Kiana, we could have well made it, eh? Don't freaking scare me like that. You want to be in the video? You want to be in it? Katie, you know, so we can't walk going to town though, right?
No. Shit, me go say something. No, you put it on the bag. Turn up, come.
The battery go dead, so I'll see you guys. Oh, we got drive. Going by the basic side. Going in town for her to do groceries. Can you not take long? Where are you going? Where are you gonna do groceries?
You'll see. Besides, basically, quizzes.
Many more, and I see you over the weekend.
I hate seeing it pop out.
Can
you imagine how the one on my leg is gonna be? What are you vlogging right now?
I don't know.
Exactly. Turn it off. I have no battery life. Bye, guys. We reached the grocery store. We are grocery shop. Look on the basket what we find in Jamaica. No, sir. Them step up in our life. I wonder if there's any teas here. Moringa. What is moringa? Was this for chicken gunya? This is the brand that I was of the tea, Kiana. The Celestial.
Deeper flavor.
Yes, that was the brand for it. Anyways, come on. I need to get my Kool-Aids. Syrup, you guys. This is syrup. This is what you use. You use one of these. You pour some in a cup and you mix it with water and you get juice. Yeah? Some of them taste bad. Not like syrup.
Ooh, they have cocoa pebbles. They have. What? Bigfoot! Cheesy toes! Ooh! No, that's not the good one. The good one is spicy and they don't have it. They're whack. I just seen it! Cheesy toes. I'm hot.
What? Little girl, come get the tissue, please. So me can doodle? Okay, so yes, they gotta be, you know. Take all of that shit into precaution.
All of these things, but these are not Bath and Body Works. These are Signature Collection Body Luxuries. Do you want Scots? Huh? In the yellow and purple? This one shirt. Prima? And a blue. How much do you want? Ooh. Okay. This one?
Me would done uno like homework and empty uno like water bucket here. This little boy that lives near Kiana. I'm gonna see if I can get to make you guys hear how he talks. He's so cute. When kids don't know that you're watching. Hi. Who is that?